Hi, I'm Jade Athas, a realtor with Berkshire Hathaway. And on this Tip Tuesday, I wanted to take the opportunity to make sure that you were aware and that your lender and your agent is having a conversation with you about how to make sure that you stay qualified for your loan and specific mistakes to avoid. So this is typically territory that your lender or your loan officer conversation that they should be having with you, but it is important that you know that we are all a team. We are all working for the same common goal to get you into your new home. So it's important to know that there are a few mistakes that you want to make sure that you avoid. And knowing this can save you a headache, because we know in this competitive market, getting the winning bid and getting through inspections has been very challenging for our buyers. So it's important to know that once you're in that position, there's mistakes that you can avoid. Simply don't open new credit cards. Continue to make the payments on your existing cards if you have outstanding loans, so that your loan balance or your existing debt ratio remains the same, because you were pre-qualified based on the existing situation with your finances. So oftentimes when you're under contract, we are talking about 30 to 45 days from offer to close. So it's really important that you know that it's truly a short window. When you're in that period of time, it feels very long, and I know you're anxious and you're excited. Another common mistake is that you go out and you buy new furniture and you finance that. You don't want to do that. Wait until after closing. Another one is that if you're going to sell a car or buy a car, you want to make sure that you're talking to your loan officer, because that can change your financial situation that they've qualified you on. So the biggest thing is that you want to be transparent in big situations, or I should say big financial decisions, once you've been pre-qualified, because we don't want your situation to change while you're going through the loan underwriting process, and make sure that we can get you into that house. Another one that oftentimes people don't know about is don't make large cash deposits into accounts, because those need to be explained to the underwriters when they're going through the loan process. So it's another thing to avoid, or moving large sums of cash from one financial institution to another, because then we have to follow that and go back and show where it came from. So hope you found this helpful and can avoid these mistakes while you're in the process of buying or selling a home. Thank you so much for joining me.